Skyward,
Skyward
Skyward, Skyward Academy, Skyward Aviation.
स्कायवर्ड एव्हिएशन अकॅडमी बेळगावी येथे दुपारी 12:30 वाजता एक भावपूर्ण सत्कार समारंभ पार पडला. या कार्यक्रमाला प्रमुख पाहुणे म्हणून श्री महांतेश एम कवडगिमठ, माजी सरकारी मुख्य शिस्तपाल, कर्नाटक विधान परिषद तसेच केली सोसायटीच्या व्यवस्थापन मंडळाचे सदस्य आणि दुसरे प्रमुख पाहुणे म्हणून श्री एस त्यागराजन, विमानतळ संचालक बेळगाव हे उपस्थित होते. कार्यक्रमाचे मान्यवर पाहुणे म्हणून श्रीमती ज्योती विनोद बामणे, सीईओ ऑफ स्कायवर्ड एव्हिएशन अकॅडमी बेळगावी आणि व्यवस्थापकीय संचालक श्री सरस्वती इन्फोटेक बेळगाव यांनी उपस्थित राहून प्रेरणादायी भाषण केले. या समारंभात विद्यार्थ्यांच्या त्यांच्या उत्कृष्ट कामगिरीबद्दल सत्कार करण्यात आला. फेलिसिटेशन मिळालेल्या विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये प्रियंका कुलकर्णी विजापूर, सुहानी बगडे बेळगाव, निकिता गावडे चंदगड, संजना मडलबावी दांडेली, पल्लवी लागली जमखंडी, शिव मुसळी बेळगाव, मुजम्मिल दरस्की अथनी, तेजस्विनी रेड्डी बेळगाव, रोहित गडीवीर बेळगाव, साकिब दरगाह विजयपूर, सादिक बेपारी, विनायक कोटरशेट्टी बेळगाव, संजना रेणके बैलहोंगल आणि स्नेहा सालुंके बेळगाव यांचा समावेश होता. या विद्यार्थ्यांची गोवा आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळ आणि बेंगळुरू आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळ येथे निवड झाली आहे. त्यांच्या मेहनतीला आणि समर्पणाला यश मिळाले असून पालकांनी आनंदाश्रू ढाळले. विद्यार्थ्यांनी सांगितले की प्रवेश घेताना त्यांच्यात आत्मविश्वास नव्हता, परंतु स्कायवर्ड अकॅडमीमुळे त्यांच्यात आमूलाग्र बदल झाला आणि आज ते यशस्वी झाले आहेत.
My name is Shiv Ashok Musale. I am from Belgaum and I joined the Skyward Aviation Hospitality at 24 March 2025. And firstly, I joined the Skyward Aviation. I don't know about grooming, communication, body language. And after joining Skyward, I learned about communication, body language, and grooming. And also, I am on national Kannada medium, and I learn English in within 6 months. And I got selected in Mopa International Airport in Goa in NCAM launch. And I thank Mr. Vinod Bamne sir for giving this opportunity.
My name is Vinayak Kottashette. I am from Belgavi. I am a student of Skyward Aviation Academy. Before joining this academy, I didn't know any knowledge about aviation industry. After joining this academy, I learned soft skills like good communication skills and self-confidence. After joining this academy, within a 1.5 month, I got selected in Air India SATS as a customer service executive at Kempegowda International Airport, Bangalore.
My name is Muzammil Darakshi. I am from Athni and I am the student of the Skyward Academy. Before joining academy, I didn't know anything about the aviation industry. After joining, I learned many things such as grooming, personality development, like that. And I thanked today I got selected Mopa International Airport as at a income launch, and I thanked Mr. Vinod Bamne sir for providing me this opportunity and supporting my career.
My name is Sanjana Madalbari. I am the student of Skyward Aviation Academy, and before joining the academy, I don't know anything about aviation industry. After joining the academy, I learned about grooming, body language, communication skills, and etc.
My name is Suhani Bagde. I am student of Skyward Aviation Hospitality Academy. Before I joining, I don't know about aviation. After joining here, I learned grooming, personality development, body language, communication, and I am selected Goa Mopa International Airport.
Hi everyone, I am Sanjana Renke from Balhongal. I am a student of Skyworld Academy. After joining Skyworld Academy, I improved a lot in my skills, communication and grooming and personality development. Today I got selected for Mopa International Airport at NCAM Atitya position. I especially thanks Mr. Vinod Bhamne sir. Thank you so much sir.
Everyone, I am Sneha Shivaji Salunke from Samarthnagar, Belgaum. I am a student of Skyward Aviation and Hospitality Academy. I wanted to become a successful person in aviation industry, and the Skyward helped me to become one. Now today I got selected for NCAM at Goa International Airport as Atitya post, and the Skyward Aviation really helped me. It has taught me each and every subject like grooming, personality development, ancillary service, and many more. Mainly the CEO of Skyward Aviation Hospitality Academy, Mr. Vinod Bamne sir, has supported me a lot. Thank you so much, Vinod sir, for being a big supporter for me.
My name is Nikita Gowde. I am from Sonarwadi in Maharashtra. I am student of Skyward Academy. After joining Skyward, I learned many things like confidence, communication skill, grooming, and today I am selected in Mopai International Airport in Goa, NCAM.
Hello everyone, my name is Tejaswini Reddy. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Skyward Academy, and being in this academy, it has helped me a lot for grooming, confidence, and personality development. And even I have learned many more things like aviation and airport knowledge. And this Skyward Academy has transformed me, and I have got that confidence from here. And I have got selected in Mopa International Airport from the company that is Aditya by Encom, and I would really thank Mr. Vinod Bamne sir to always guide me and support me through all this interview process. Thank you so much.
My name is Pallavi Sanjeev Lagri. I am from Jamkhandi. I am selected for Mopai International Airport, Goa. Thank you, Mr. Vinod Bamne sir. Because of them, I am selected for Mopai International Airport.
Hi everyone, my name is Mathura Patil. I am from Suraga. I got selected in Mopai International Airport in Goa. And thank you Vinod Bamne sir and Skyward. And I learned here discipline, grooming and skills as personality development. Thank you. Thank you.
मुख्य पाहुण्यांनी आणि मान्यवरांनी निवड झालेल्या विद्यार्थ्यांचा आणि त्यांच्या पालकांचा सत्कार करून त्यांच्या उल्लेखनीय कामगिरीचा गौरव केला.
The sir's speech, I keenly listen to his speech all the time, like what he speaks, because so much knowledge I get every time wherever I go, because especially when I attended many programs, even maybe in the Daily Society, maybe Marvelous Welcome, various programs wherever sir has been called, maybe in a cricket tournament, wherever I get chance to look at sir. He has multiple knowledge, multi-talented person, I can say. Knowledge of everything, every person, every society, every nook of the world. Sir can explain you, that much knowledge sir is having. So we are very proud to have you here today. I was from almost 2 years we were planning to call sir as a chief guest, and every time he used to get engaged and I was missing the opportunity. But today the lucky day has come, and the day which I was expecting has come today, and sir is appeared in our organization. We are very happy and very lucky to have you here. And today I can say all my students and my staff members and even parents जो भी यहाँ पे बैठे हैं उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा होगा. सर ने बोला है कि क्या क्या होता है इस इंडस्ट्री में, कैसे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है, कहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ओपन हो रहे हैं आजकल. सो ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆತನಿ ಬಿಜಾಪುರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾರ್ಡ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Education is not a barrier. This PPP model have open opportunities to so many job opportunities in various positions in our aviation industry. In the name of APTEC, he has done. He has sent a lot of students. In fact, in Belgaum Airport also there are staff working completed this course here. He is doing a very good job and taking students from the humble background and just this talent he is booming and giving soft skills. And you have come up with your communication. You will be able to see how much they have made you for this position.
शेवटी स्कायवर्ड एव्हिएशन अकॅडमीच्या यशस्वी आयोजनासाठी श्री विनोद बामणे आणि श्रीमती ज्योती विनोद बामणे यांच्या योगदानाबद्दल विशेष कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करण्यात आली.
पर्टिक्युलरली स्कायवर्ड अकॅडमीच्या माध्यमातून जे विनोद बामणे सर काम करत आहेत, ग्रामीण भागातील युवक युवतींना एक प्लॅटफॉर्म त्यांनी उपलब्ध केलेली आहे. ते एअर होस्टेस असू दे, हॉस्पिटॅलिटी असू दे, हा माध्यमातून ते गरीब गरजू विद्यार्थ्यांना एक अवकाश त्यांनी इथं आणून दिलेले आहे. त्यासाठी बेळगावकरांच्या वतीनं माझं केलीचं संस्थेचं माध्यमातून त्यांना धन्यवाद देतो. येणाऱ्या काळात हा भागातील युवक आणि युवतींना सुद्धा चांगलं संधी मिळावा, एअर होस्टेस म्हणून काम करताना, नाहीतर हॉस्पिटॅलिटीमध्ये काम करताना. सगळ्यांना आणि एकदा धन्यवाद. थँक्यू सो मच. नमस्ते.
अशा आणखीन अपडेटसाठी फॉलो करा व्हॉइस ऑफ बेळगावला.